नोरा फतेही ने किया एक बड़ा खुलासा। नोरा फतेही in a recent interview discussed how some actors use her name for PR campaigns to promote their songs. नोरा फतेही बहुत जल्द अभिषेक बच्चन के साथ फिल्म बी हैप्पी में नजर आएंगी और हाल ही में दिए गए एक इंटरव्यू में नोरा ने बताया, Well, the actor opened up about how some actors pay PR agencies to run campaigns comparing them to her after featuring in dance numbers. नोरा ने इस कॉन्वर्सेशन में बताया कि इंडस्ट्री के कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि नोरा है एरोगेंट, पर नोरा का मानना है कि वो बस स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है। She further spoke about how she is judged when she wants to play lead roles in films instead of just appearing in songs. She said, My logic is that everyone should be allowed to do songs and everyone should act. But it should be fair for everybody. When I see these songs, you know what I like about them? That girls are coming out being confident, being sexy and trying to perform. What I don't like is when everybody starts using my name as a marketing tool. She further added how actors pay to PR agencies to use her name to market songs and said, So when they want to market a song, they think let's compare it to Nora and I don't like that. All of the PR agencies are doing it. A new song is coming out, cool, so they'll be like Nora's career is over or she can eat 100 Noras for breakfast. I know who is behind this and I know how much you have to pay to do that. I get a lot of PR packages convincing me to do the same, but I refuse. I won't compare myself to anyone or bring someone else down. If a song is going to work, it should be because people appreciate my talent, not because they are excited to replace someone else. That's just ridiculous. तो वहीं नोरा फतेही ने ये भी कहा, She has observed this pattern while she was on rest due to an ankle injury. She admitted that while some of the songs were good and classy, others were diabolical and highly degenerate. और अब नेटिजन्स भी दे रहे हैं अपनी प्रतिक्रिया और कर रहे हैं गेस कि किस एक्ट्रेस का नोरा से हुआ था कंपैरिजन. One of the comments read Sharvari, Srilila and Rasha and few others had posts comparing them to Nora and I also saw Nora's career is over. Comments recently, another wrote, She's right, that happens. Another comment read, She's talking about the Uyamma girl Rasha. Well, जो भी हो, भले ही कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस का नोरा फतेही से हुआ हो कंपैरिजन, पर अब भी नोरा फतेही का जलवा है अनमैचेबल एंड अनबीटेबल.